Today is a great segment for oatmeal, and we want to analyze some of the highlights of the food labels on oatmeal to see the differences. So a couple of common household products would be something like this. The Quaker, and with the food label, this is the multi-pack here. And then we also are going to do an evaluation of the food label for the cracked oats, okay, and look at that food label as well. So we can get a good look at what we're getting for protein, what we're getting for dietary fiber, because that's our biggest downfall is that we don't get enough dietary fiber, and a lot of times we don't get enough protein in our daily meals. So how can we get enough protein with our oatmeal? Well, oatmeal is an amazing source of protein, amazing source of dietary fiber. So if we look at the first food label here, what we want to look at, of course, is the serving size, the grams. What's the serving size? What's the grams per serving? And then if we take a look at that, it's going to be right up there at the top. 160 calories here for these two at 43 grams per serving. And that's going to give us, on this serving, it's going to have 4 grams of protein along with 3 grams of dietary fiber. Okay, so dietary fiber, we want to make sure we're getting adequate dietary fiber each meal so that we can get a nice ball of food there that goes down nice and smooth, and of course obtain enough protein per meal as well. So this is a little bit different protein level and fiber level than you'll see in the cracked oats, okay, and the toasted oats. So if you looked at the toasted oats food label, again, it's very similar for 40 grams per serving, 160 calories, right? But if we go down there, we're looking at now 6 grams of protein and 4 grams of dietary fiber. So it's a little bit more, right? And these serving sizes, of course, 160 calories, that's fairly low calories and a fairly small amount of food. So we might want to up that a little bit. We might want to have, 1.5 servings of this, getting us closer to 8 grams of protein and of course maybe 5 grams of dietary fiber. The soluble fiber is also shown on this one, which is the sticky fiber. So this is 2 grams of soluble sticky fiber per serving. And that's why when we have a meal of oatmeal, it feels so full and so nice because that gives us a high level by itself of soluble fiber. If we go back to the Quaker, we might want to up the pack. So sometimes I have the 2 packs on this. It'll be 320 calories or 260 calories if we do 2 packs here. And that'll up the protein and up the dietary fiber as well. So of course this one's flavored. The Quaker is flavored already, but we might want to add some flavors to the toasted oats, the cracked toasted oats, though that we could add some berries and some whatever flavorings you like brown sugar, whatever you might like to make sure that you get that excellent flavor. Of course, pure maple syrup works excellent as well. The kids love that. But this is stuff that you're going to have on a regular basis, part of the sticky fiber diet, part of building up enough muscle energy and enough muscle, getting enough protein to have the muscles continuously regenerate and stay strong. You need at least 60 grams of protein per day for that. And throughout the day, you're looking to get 25 to 35 grams of dietary fiber throughout those 3 meals and a snack for your day as well. So any questions, please let me know. And I look forward to hearing from you and continue to provide these breakdowns of food labels so that you have an understanding of where your calories, your proteins, and your dietary fibers are coming from, as well as good fats. So thank you so much.